how you want it?
I think like that. Back up a little bit. Don't you need a board underneath?
You're gonna set it just like that or all along?
No, I'm gonna lay it down.
Okay.
I just want to move it that way some.
Okay. Oh.
That'll fit.
Yeah. Well, it's big and heavy. It won't move. Once it gets smaller, then we have to worry more.
Well, once I got a flat, we can flip it over and it'll be flat on the bunks.
Yeah, that's true.
Welcome back to Middlefield Custom Sawmill. Today we're here with Yuri, and we're over at Irvin's place.
You don't have to take my picture in there.
I won't put your face in, don't worry. Say hi, Yuri.
Hi. We're gonna cut some beautiful walnut today.
Yeah, we got some walnut here. This is a hefty chunk. You can see there's a couple of crotches on it. Oh yeah, now you got it. That'll stay.
How about the other side?
The other side's good already. I don't think she's gonna move.
No.
All right, so we're just gonna come through and saw this one up. This will be a quick little log.
Curly.
You're from Holmes County, right?
No, I'm from Hartville,
Hartville, okay.
Stark County.
Stark. Yeah, when we're sawing with the grain, it's going to plug up.
Yeah.
Nothing I can do to stop that. Look at that.
They gotta wedge the belts.
Yep. I'll just have to do this after every cut. That's all you can do.
Oh, so it's not gonna come out through the end?
Oh, not with that. They got this stupid little screen in there.
That's what happens when you cut that way.
I know.
It's with the grain. Well, like you said. What about if you leave the door open, it'll fly everywhere?
I don't know. I could try. I've never cut with the door open.
Look at this grain.
I think I'm going to swap blades.
Yeah, it kind of look a little dull.
Yeah, I think so.
Look at this grain.
I see that. What are you going to do with it?
Oh, that'll make it the most beautiful end table it's over there.
Just round it. You got a belt tightener there. Mine, the motor moves up and down to tighten it.
Yeah, this has it's a different design.
They're going to Paul Bunyan tour this year?
Yep.
You are?
Yep, you coming with us?
Maybe I can. This year, I don't know. Last year we had something going on. I don't
On
know
a
what.
Saturday, had a wedding or something.
Oh, Saturday. I don't know what.
Yeah, so Saturday the 7th I'm going to Paul Bunyan. I got a whole bunch of people going. We're probably taking 3 vehicles. want to show the camera what's going on, why we keep stopping. So here's the problem. Because we're cutting with the grain, we're getting spaghetti, wombats, rat's nest, whatever you want to call it. It's really clogging up the saw bad because it can't go through the chute. Now it's getting up there, it's getting down here, it's all over everything, as you can see. Big bunches on the ground. So we have to stop after every cut. Let's take a look at the wood.
Right here is a grain.
Oh, yeah,
One of a kind. I never see nothing like it.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah.
There's a crotch over there. There's a crotch right here
This way?
going out.
Other way it would be a bit wider.
Oh, okay. Had the thickness come out that time. These are not very flat. I can feel a lump right in the middle.
Yeah. I think you moved when you rock a little bit because it's, half moon.
All right, let's flip it over then. And
Yeah. Did you see any grain like this before?
Yep.
Oh, you did?
Yep. I've cut these before. I went to a lumber yard and they were taking all the pieces like that and throwing them in the chipper. So I said, throw them in my trailer, I'll buy them from you. And I had like 6 of them.
Well, I'm sure we'll cut some more. I have to take off because I'll never make it.
Okay. Well, it was fun while you were here.
Yeah, I love the pieces. The next week we'll come and we'll figure everything.
This is not going to make it.
Why?
Because it's open all the way and it's not going to clear. So what we got to do is get 2 pieces of wood under it so it raises it up, and then I can move it this way a little bit. I just got to raise it above these stops.
Oh, so we gotta do
But
it.
what
same.
are you gonna? You don't have anything there to keep it from coming over.
It's not going to move. We set it on the wood, it'll stay there.
No,
But we're going
I
to have
don't-
to lift one end up, put the board in, lift the other end up, put the board in.
Okay.
Are these boards the same thickness? Because if they're not, we're going to come out crooked. It's underneath the
Oh,
log.
you could use these. No, but
No,
No,
I can't.
Yeah.
no,
that board-
it's too wide.
Yeah, it is.
Too wide.
See, you don't cut the wide stuff. You don't have this struggle. You always do nice sized
I
logs.
cut stuff like that, but yeah, I always put a board there because it would just push it over.
But the board is against your uprights, right?
Yeah,
Okay, you can get 2 inches wider if you put your uprights down.
right.
Well, that's what I did.
Okay, see you guys.
Really cracks it in there. Yeah, bye. I don't see anything.
No, you didn't get in there.
Still not getting a very flat cut. I can feel it. And it's dipping in the middle, not at the edge.
Yeah, but that
I
comes
think
up
it's
on
just
your-
all this stuff is binding up in the middle.
Yeah.
Not a whole lot I can do to fix that. Clean it out again. The door's shut on me. Yep, that ought to do it right there. Last cut. Okay, so on here, you can't see it that way. There's some curl there. And then going up this way, we do have crotch figure coming in right there. And I don't know, I guess this is just curly over here, huh? What is this stuff?
It looks like that.
Curly walnut? I don't know. Yeah, that next slab looks pretty. No, I think those ripples that we're seeing, that's just from the way it's cutting. Look at how it cut. That's weird. It cut like grooves going on an angle. Those are saw marks. That's because we were cutting in this direction, so yeah, that's some pretty wood too. That's the last slab. Kind of thick. All right, hang on, I'll come over and we'll move it. So what was happening before, when you cut along the grain, you get this spaghetti stuff. I mean, it's like hair. And man, does it plug up the saw. That's the little one that we cut this morning. You can see how wide that thing is. This is the little one we were cutting. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.